All right, calling all JBL fans. These are model 4312 control monitors. We got these in the shop recently, pretty neat find. Now the customer we bought these from told us an interesting story about the model 4312s and their claim to fame, their legend. So as it goes, the engineers that were designing these, engineering them, wanted them to be so robust, they designed them in such a way that you could even hook up household current directly to the positive and negative terminals on the back. Now, I would not encourage you to do that, obviously, but they said, hey, these are so well designed that you could even hook up household current, 120 volt current, and send it straight back into the back of the speakers there, and the speakers be fine. That's how over-engineered they are, how robust, how tough they are. That's the legend, apparently. So let me show you what these speakers look like here. You can see up close, it's got two pots, two knobs here. This one's for the mid-frequency level, and then the other one is for the high frequency level. So you could adjust these. And these do not click, they just turn. There's actually a good bit of friction to these knobs here. So you have to bear down on them, turn them pretty hard. They're not gonna, accidentally turn. And same thing here on the mid frequency. This one actually requires quite a bit of force to turn these. So I'm not sure if they've always been like that or if over the years maybe they've gotten harder to turn. But there's definitely a good bit of force that is required to turn these knobs here. So pretty neat find that we've got in the shop here. Let me show you what they look like with the grills off. So these grills just kind of Velcro on. And this one, I think, has a crack in the frame that supports the grill there right in the middle. But if you're real gentle with them, shouldn't make a difference. But check these out. Look at this beautiful pattern of woofers here. Come in real tight so you can get a sense of the detail here, just how robust they were made here. Just really, really neat to think about all the planning and design that went in from the engineers to make these particular products. And then you can see here the tweeter and the other woofer, and then a bass port there. And even the brushed metal here on this particular woofer here, just that extra detail, and same thing going around the large bass woofer. Really, really, really neat there to see that detail. Let's take a look at the other one as well. Curious, those who are watching right now, would you play these with the grills on or the grills off? In other words, if you own these and you had them in your studio, in your house somewhere, would you leave the grills off or would you put the grills on? Let us know in the comments. All right, and check out this other one here. Go in for a nice tight shot so you can see the detail on it. And then the other woofers here. Now you can see the cone is pushed in a little bit here on that one. That's something you can fix though. You can just kind of massage it out. Now most of the items that we sell in the shop here, we just leave as is. We don't go through and refurbish them or try to do things like that. That's something that, a collector, whoever buys these, that's something they're gonna wanna do. And so typically we just leave that to them. But pretty easy to pull that cone out, just kind of massage it. And then you can see up here, talks about where they were manufactured or designed. I'm not sure if that's the manufacturer city or just where they were engineered. And then it's got a serial number. Now, oddly, these two came together in our shop here. The serial numbers are not sequential, which is kind of interesting. So, maybe they were mixed matched at some time. Hard to say, or if that's common. Those of you who know, let us know in the comments. But really neat. Again, these are the JBL Model 43 control monitors, super robust. Put these covers back on and you can see this particular cover, like I was saying earlier, it does have a little bit of crack here in the frame. That definitely could be remade if you really wanted to, but as long as you're gentle with them, no harm done. You can just leave them as is. Let me show you on top here. You can see the cabinets on these are in really good shape. Just a few little nicks and dings here on the casing on the corner, but overall, really good. I love the tone here of the wood. Just a real nice, timeless. And then just look at the grain going down the sides there. Let me spin one around so you can see on the back what the connections look like. They're real simple. It's got your black, and it's just got a standard spring push terminal there where you put your wire in and let go. So real simple connection on the back there, color coded. So these are the JBL 4312 control monitors. Now maybe you're watching, you've owned a pair of these. Let us know what you think, how they compare against some other monitors out there on the market, but these are vintage, highly desirable by collectors, and we are thrilled to have them in the shop here. If you got items like this and you're curious about what they're worth, what you get out of them, be sure to visit our website. We're a risk-free secondhand marketplace, and we buy all kinds of items, typically things that are over $100 in value and easy to ship. Now sometimes we'll consider things like these monitors, these speakers, you know, they're a little bit larger, a little bit harder to ship, but sometimes there's enough value there where it makes it worthwhile for us to venture into. So if you've got something, doesn't hurt to ask. On our website, you'll see an option to get a personalized offer. When you click on that, one of our representatives will review your request and send you a written offer to your email inbox within 24 hours during normal business hours. So definitely check us out, and thanks for watching.